Hey everyone, it's Vince over at Ceramic Pro Killeen, and so we've got another Tesla in the building, and this one we did a matte PPF conversion on, and we're gonna talk to you a little bit about how we got here, but first, let's talk about how we got here. So our client wanted to do something a little different with his vehicle, and so what we recommended to him was the matte PPF conversion. And so he does have PPF, for everyone who doesn't understand as well, is paint protection film. So what you guys see on this vehicle is in fact paint protection film. It is just our matte concversion film, and so we laid that over the original factory color, which you guys are seeing in the video at the start, and we're kind of explaining how we got it to this stage now. So we did something a little different here. This is the first Model 3 we've done in the matte conversion as well. And so this film is dope. I mean, this is a super clean color. I really like the turnout. This is the Midnight Silver. For if you have a Tesla and you're curious to how we got it to this color, it is the Midnight Silver Tesla Model 3. And this is what it looks like when we lay the matte film over top of it. So it still has all the properties of traditional paint protection film, as well as the hydrophobic properties, as well as the protection aspect. So it still can handle the beating, and it looks cool. So you kind of get a little bit of style and protection all at the same time. So we want you guys to tune in to see how we kind of put this together. Literally, we didn't have to do too much disassembly on this. This actually was a pretty simple vehicle, actually. I don't really have any complaints. The only thing that really kicked my butt was these very large bumpers, and if you do Teslas often, I guess they say they get easier with time. I still don't like having to stretch 90 inches.